In the last video, we learned criss-cross system of multiplication without carry. In that video, I have explained you traditional system as well as criss-cross system. For that video, you will get the link in the description. Let's start for today. We are going to learn criss-cross system of multiplication with carry for two-digit numbers. Today we are going to solve two questions, 23 multiplied by 17 and 37 multiplied by 21. So we will solve first question, 23 multiplied by 17. First step, we will multiply 7 and 3 is equals to 21. So we will write 1 here and we will take 2 on carry. As a second step, we will do criss-cross. We will do 7 into 2 is equals to 14 and 3 into 1 that is equals to 3. Then we will add them, then the answer comes 19. So we will write 9 here and take 1 on carry. Then we will multiply 2 and 1 that is equals to 2. Then the answer is 3. The answer is 391. Move to the second question. As per the first step, we will multiply 4 and 7 is equals to 28. So we will write 8 here and 2 as a carry. Then we will do criss-cross multiplication. 4 into 3 and 2 into 7. Then we will add them. As 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 and 2 multiplied by 7 is 14. The answer comes 28. Then we will write 8 here and take 2 on carry. Then we will add 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to 6. Now we will add them is equals to 8. And the answer comes 888. In the next video, I will show you the same system for 3-digit number. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.